My name is McIntosh, and I'm a professor of anthropology and peace studies at IUPUI, Indiana University's Indianapolis campus. For the past 2 years, I've been working with my friend and colleague, Dr. Jamil Al-Falid from Gaza University, on a peace education program in the Gaza Strip. We have now had 2 very successful classes, and more are in the pipeline. The first class involved my liberal arts students and Gaza University English translation students, the only such collaboration between a Gaza and US university. This was a virtual study abroad program, a wonderful learning experience for my students. We swapped 8-minute videos of our daily lives on YouTube. Our students also had a chance to visit a mosque, Palestinian restaurants. They learned some basic Arabic and met with members of the broader Palestinian community and learned of their personal struggles. And then together, the students formed teams to discuss and report on the pathways to peace in the Middle East. Together, they sought out novel strategies for the resolution of issues that divide Israelis and Palestinians, namely borders, settlements, refugees, and Jerusalem. Ideally, we would have had a 3-way interaction, including our colleagues from Hebrew University, but it was not possible at this time. For our second class, we used a course networking tool developed at IUPUI called the CN, shown here, to facilitate a MOOC platform to expand our collaboration. The focus was Gaza 2050, a visioning exercise. As a MOOC, this class was open to anyone in the world who was interested in working with Gaza students in developing their vision of peace and prosperity. In our MOOC 101, as it was called, we had students from over 20 countries, Australia, Uruguay, Kenya, Russia, China, and so on, contributing to the discussion on refining the vision. One of my research areas is the link between reconciliation and visioning. This was lecture 5, which anyone can still access online by connecting to the course networking site. But there were many other topics covered by a range of lecturers in this class. There was a strong practical component. In 2050, all of Gaza's problems have been resolved. The unemployment, pollution, energy shortage, water shortage, and so on. Students were encouraged to speak of the present day only in the past tense, so that the challenge became one of how was the vision achieved. We chose 2050 because students will be community leaders at that time, and they were all excited and empowered by the idea that they had achieved their goal. But of course they would ask, how was it achieved? By stressing their achievement, we lifted a burden from them, however temporarily, in what Dr. Jamil has described as one of the most popular courses on the Gaza University campus. We brought into our virtual classroom a range of specialists who could bring vital insights into subtopics such as water management, the flower export industry, strawberry production, and so on. It was very exciting. We are now looking at stage 2 of our visioning class with a strong focus on tourism, museums, and archaeology, and in the building of a virtual museum that the students themselves can build up through their research, video podcasts, and photos. The potential for peace building through this means is very real. Thank you.